Welcome to Click My Project.
Our project title is Efficient Optimal Algorithm of Task Scheduling in Cloud Computing Environment.
Our modified abstract is the network coding is a promising enhancement of routing to improving the network throughput and providing the high reliability. It allows a node to generating a output messages by encoding its receiving message. The peer-to-peer networks are a perfect place to applying the network coding due to two reasons. The topology of peer-to-peer network is constructed arbitrarily. Thus, it's too easy to tailoring the topology of facilitated network coding. The nodes in the peer-to-peer networks are end host, which can be perform more complex operations such as the decoding and the encoding than the simple storing and forwarding message. In this paper, we proposing a scheme to applying the network coding to peer-to-peer file sharing, which employing the peer-to-peer network to distribute the file resides in the web servers or a file servers. The scheme exploiting the special type of network topology called combination network. In data flow diagram, first of all, we get a request from the peer. Peer means in the sense it's mentioning the network nodes, and then we forming the peer network grouping using the algorithm of peer joining algorithm, and then after that we getting that grouping, we split the file as encoded, and then we transfer the file from one peer to another file, from one network to another network or something systems. Okay. After that we adjusting the topology, and if the user want to leave or join the group, we make the changes and find optimal path, and finally we decoded that end result. This is the overall process of our flow for our process. Let's start our demo. First try click the job.java, right click the job.java and run file. Our project title is applying network coding to peer-to-peer file sharing. Here just clicking that image, click here to proceed and click that create button and enter the number of nodes to be created. Place this dialog box outside of the frame and click OK button, and the nodes are placed in the panel, and click the category. Here it clustered those nodes and fixed the one node as a source. After that click the proceed button and view group. Click that view group. These are all the IP address and the group happen in the existing counter and list. These are the group address and their counting. Click the bandwidth. Previous IP address and their given bandwidth. Proceed. First initially start the server and then run the client.java. Here enter the anyone name and enter your system IP address and enter the bandwidth for the process. Get request. Here we get the status and there your username, the user details, IP address and the user defined bandwidth. Click the send request. The request will be sent and the server get the update. Okay, after that we accept that request. Set the group. Here I entered 5 and show group size. Then store the informations. Now the group 5 is the peer is assigned to the group 5 successfully. Okay, and then click the proceed button, then get reply. Here you are going to click client1.java and also enter the name. Yes or no, just click yes. Generate the request and we get the information and send the request to the server. Get those updates and we are going to find out the nearest group. We get the path and the distance and we get the peer the nearest group of 5 is 2. Okay, and file details. Here we're going to uploading a file. For example, Kruba.pdf. We have the option to choosing text, PDF and RAR file. Okay, receiver group. Just enter the receiver group, and we get the combination network strategies and the number of line, link, and the outgoing edges also. Okay, here we choosing .pdf file, so click the PDF split. Okay, the file is splitted successfully, and we send. Here we're going to get the files the client side. Store it. Okay, and click leave. Here we getting the destination path, and here getting the these are the files transferred. Click that file and store in any one location, and click the file download. After the clicking anyone, here also choosing the location, open, and download successfully. After that we getting the unique file generation. This is a graph which comparing the failure probability, and another graph is showing the peer-to-peer transmission differentiations. Okay, here we comparing the random generation and the Digistra's algorithm. Okay, and then we choosing 0 and 12. In this location we getting those two files, and then in D colon, here we getting those splitted files. The files are splitted into 13. Here also we getting that splitted files, and in the server side also, and in the log location the files are splitted. Totally in 3 locations the files are splitted. Okay, thank you.